Hi, welcome back to Daily Brief with Damaraka. Friends, if you're watching me first time, this is Damaraka Porisetti and I will tell the news on major three sectors. First one is AI and robotics and futures. And the second one is gadgets and third one is entertainment. Let's get into the today news. Coming to the AI, our first and hot topic in the AI world. Anthropic now expands their growth for legal works. Yes, what you heard is correct. Now onwards, Claude expands for their legal works for with more than 20 connectors and 12 plugins with the legal platforms such as Thomson, Litters, Co-Counsel, Westra Type Research, Box, DocSign, and iManage. Those platforms are helping lawyers to research, drafting, documents review, and legal workflow. But now Claude will have access to this platform and work project. The biggest caution in this legal field is AI can do hallucination. If AI gives a one fake or incorrect legal information, this is gonna affect lawyer a very serious problem in the court. But there's a catch. That's why Anthropic is now pushing the idea of grounded legal sources instead of guessing memory. Yeah, what do you think about this update? Please let me know in the comment section. Coming to our second topic, the Wall Street banking giant, jpmorgan. Yes, jpmorgan has just initiated a coverage of Mistral AI. The Mistral AI, the France's most valuable AI company. Do you believe the numbers are jaw-dropping? jpmorgan sees a bigger amount. It is $360 billion in what they are calling sovereign AI. So, what is this sovereign AI? It is a growing global movement where the big companies and the government don't want to sell their information to USA and China's AI servers. They want to run their own AI in their own land, in under with their own rules and law, and it works in their own language. And guess what? This is what Mistral AI exactly same what they want. If you want to know more about what is Mistral AI, please check my previous videos. Coming to our third topic, it's our first world humanoid robots in our airports. Yes, what you heard is correct. This is the movement the robotic industries are waiting for, and it's happened in Japan. Japan Airlines has deployed humanoid robots at Tokyo Haneda Airport under 3 years operational commercial commitments. Let me think. Why Japan? Because Japan is facing diplomatic emergency. Its working age population is projected to fall a 31% between 2023 to 2060. Yeah, JAL operates alone 400 ground handling workers, and with Japan is targeting 60 million inbound tourists by 2030. The gap between available human labor and the tourist who is coming to the Japan is becoming impossible to bridge them and require capacity impossible to bridge with people alone. These robots are doing actual ground work like ground handling tasks such as physical representative, operational worker in safety and critical environment. This is an industrial's first aviation project on humanoid robotics, not as a gimmick, but as a workflow solution. Would you feel comfortable being associated with humanoid robot at an airport, checking process, carrying your bags, or guiding you to the gate? Comment below your opinion. Coming to the gadget zone, and it's our first topic in the gadget zone, and it's from the Google. Google has announced a Google book. Yes, it's Google book, not a Chromebook or not a Pixel book. It's a Google book, a brand new laptop segment, and it's built along with the Gemini AI and its biggest Android news until now in this current year 2026. And this one will get the gadget spotlight. Yes, Google just announced Google Book, a completely new project in the laptop segment, and its premium first AI laptop. This is a brand new category. It's designed from the scratch along the Google intelligence. Perfectly sync your Android phone. Think AirDrop. Seamlessly transfer your photos or videos, even the contacts. File transferring, instant notification mirroring, and and deep Gemini integration across everything you do. On the software side, Gemini intelligence is also coming as a Android Auto. Your car infotainment is getting a smarter AI assistance, customized widgets, and a video playback support. Also launches soon Gemini in Chrome for Android with Auto Browse, an agentic mode where Gemini browses the web automatically for you. Coming to our second topic in the gadgets, May 2026 is the odd month for the smartphones launches in Asia, and China's Vivo launches the new smartphone. It's Vivo X300 Ultra. It's a photography phone. It will come with the 200 megapixel primary camera and 200 megapixel telephoto lens with 3.7x optical zoom and a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera, and its 6.82 inches display with 144 Hz LTPO AMOLED display. It will come with the Qualcomm latest chipset Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. This is a flagship segment. Will you buy this one? Coming to the entertainment sector, Shopify Lab goes viral every December, right? Now with Shopify 20th anniversary, has launched a lifetime lab style feature. Users search for Shopify 20 or Party of the Year inside the app to see their personal music history. It shows details like first streaming song, the date you joined, and your favorite artist, and playlist of your all-time top songs. Shopify also creates the top 120 songs playlist and shows how many times you listen to that song, how much time you listen to each track. This feature is highly sellable. The people who sales is their TikTok videos and YouTube shorts, and the people can easily post videos like my first Spotify song. Yeah, this is not just a musical feature. It's designed to turn your listening history into the viral social content. What was your first song you listen in the Spotify? Let me know in the comment section. Yes, those are all for today. Let's meet tomorrow. Thank you. Signing off, Damaraka Police.